What made me apply to this traineeship was the international setup with CHG. I think it was a really good opportunity for me, at least after my university studies and working a bit. I wanted to experience more and to collaborate more internationally as well.
I would describe the trainee program as exciting, dynamic and growth-oriented, and also challenging, but in the best way possible.
Until now, I had the great chance of participating in several rotations across different cities in Europe. So we basically started with accounting as a trainee team. Then we proceeded to treasury, to global operations, and then obviously deep dive sales. It was a perfect opportunity for me to develop skills connected with sales, but also get to know my fellow colleagues in several cities and also participate in networking events with my fellow trainees.
Yeah, so basically there has been lots of fun and entertaining moments, but if I had to pick one highlight, it would be in the trainee kickoff in the Weingarten headquarters. There we met trainees from other regions as well, and we had lots of fun.
The best part of the trainee program is definitely getting involved in different projects, whether that's service delivery, accounting or marketing. I get to collaborate and learn with the other trainees, which really makes this journey a lot of fun.
A project that I'm really proud of consisted of preparing a presentation and later delivering the presentation during a major channel partner event in Warsaw. I spent a great deal of time on preparing for the presentation, but it actually brought amazing results. So I was really proud of it, and it also showed me that trainees at CHG-MERIDIAN are really appreciated at our given real work.
The best part of the trainee program, I would say, is the international experience and the people. Like everybody you get to meet so many different people from many different cultures, different countries and everything. So you actually gain and experience much more on a deeper level the whole company, but also the cultures. So I would say the people in general, and just to be social as well. I mean, everything here is not about work at CHG. We're also really social as well, which is a really good part of this traineeship as well. We have fun together after work as well. So
I would describe the Czech team as very supportive, open-minded and very fun. I mean, along the journey, they've always been there when I needed help and answer any questions. And I have to say that everyone in this company has welcomed me with open arms, so it's been really nice.
If someone is considering to apply for the program, I would just say do it. You won't regret it. It's been great.
If you're looking for a traineeship that is not only happening in one place, in one office from 9 to 5, you should definitely go for the CHG traineeship. Why? Basically, it's a global setting. You have a lot of traveling opportunities. You get to attend events both externally and internally. You get to see Europe, for example. I think it is an opportunity you really don't want to miss. So go for CHG traineeship.